Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Predator. In this channel, we discuss about various concepts and technologies in Salesforce. In this video series, we are discussing about Salesforce Lightning Flows. In today's video, we'll see how we can upload files using Salesforce Lightning Flow. Okay. So the problem statement is create a case from account record using quick action and attach file along with the case. Okay. So we'll go to our Salesforce org. Now we already had a case flow created on a case object. Okay, so we'll open that and we'll look into it. So we can see we have a screen element where we are taking status, case origin and subject from user, right? And this status and case origin both are pick list, and we have used pick list choice set to create these fields, and subject is a text field. Okay, and next we have create record element where we are taking 4 fields and we are taking account ID from the record ID variable, and this record ID variable will fetch value from the record on which this flow has been included. Okay, so basically it will be account record, right? And next these 3 fields, okay, origin, status and subject. Now what we'll do is we'll add one more screen element here, and we'll select for files. So file upload element will take it over here. Now whenever this case will be created, we will be having case ID, right? So what we'll do is we'll specify the related record ID as case ID from this case create record. Okay, and API name for this will be upload file with case. Okay, we have to specify the proper API name. Then label will be, let's say we'll specify subject as a label for this file, and rest everything will keep it as it is. Okay, so we'll go there and specify upload file as label here, and we'll click on done. Okay, and we'll connect this to next element, save this and create a new version for this. We'll save this and activate this flow builder. Okay, sorry, flow. Now we'll go to account record and refresh this. We'll find a quick action. So we have a quick action create case over here. We'll specify status, case origin and subject. We'll click on next. So a case record will be created and will be shown the next screen, which is upload file. So we'll upload this and we'll specify a document here. We'll click on done and we'll click on finish. Okay, now case record has been created. We'll check into the related list for this account. This is the case record. We'll go into the case record and check whether file is attached to it or not. Okay, so we'll go to the related list and we can see the attachment record created over here. Okay, so while creating case, we had added an attachment and it got stored into the related list of case. Okay, so this is how we attach a file to a record using Salesforce Lightning Flow. So if you have any questions, you can add it in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.